Hi everyone, just a little bit of information to get you ready for tomorrow's lab. So remember, we need scissors, plastic grocery bag. Now when you get the grocery bag, get the really, it works better if you have the thin kind, the one-time use bags. The more heavy-duty reusable bags, it'll work, but it doesn't work quite as well. You need an inflated balloon. Hopefully everybody knows how to blow up a balloon and tie it off. If not, get help from your parents. And then you're going to need some small pieces of paper. So let me show you real quick. When I say small pieces of paper, this is the kind of thing we're looking for. Cut a piece of paper into narrow strips. I have orange paper here just so it shows up a little better. It doesn't matter what color your paper is. So cut some skinny strips. Have your paper. You can see it doesn't have to be perfect. Just a couple of strips will probably do. So you got two long skinny strips of paper. Just lay them on top of each other and then just start cutting some little bits of confetti. And that's probably enough. So all you need is just a little bit of this confetti. And then with your, move this out of the way now. With your plastic bag, what we're going to do is we're going to cut strips out of this. You can just leave the bag like this and cut them out. What we need is a strip that's about 2 to 4 centimeters wide and then 8 centimeters long. Excuse me, 20 centimeters long. And so it's about 8 inches by 1 inch, roughly, if you're more familiar with that scale. So 1 inch by 8 inches. You can just cut it right out of the bag there. And we need about 4 strips. So you're just going to cut. We're actually only going to use 2 strips for the lab, but because it is so thin, it might be difficult when you're doing the lab to keep it from breaking. So to have a couple of spares is a good idea. So cut out about 4 strips that are 1 inch by 8 inches. So again, we're just going to finish this up and we'll have a nice strip 1 inch wide by about 8 inches long. And you want, like I said, 3 or 4 of those. We used 2 in our experiment, but we'll want a couple of spares because they can break pretty easily. So that's what you need to do to get ready for your experiment tomorrow.